The Internet Auto Parts eStore application can be used to generate stock orders for the automotive service professional. For repair shops that maintain a stocking inventory, it is very easy to set up one or more recurring quotes as a stock order for those items that are ordered periodically. This can save the automotive service professional or the distributor's outside sales rep a lot of time in generating the stock order. Let's look at an example. Think of the stock order as a special type of recurring quote. So let's start by clicking on the Quotes button on the top row. The system defaults to the Save Quotes tab. So to get to recurring quotes, let's click on the Recurring Quotes button. In this example, there are 4 recurring quotes that have been saved. Note that they have all been saved with descriptions that make it easy to remember and recall as needed. The first 2 are for a Ford F-150 that the service dealer maintains as a fleet for the local school district. This is another useful feature of recurring quotes. The second 2 are for stock orders, with one being used for filters, hoses, and belts that this service dealer stocks, and the other one for oil. For this YouTube video, let's focus on the ones that are stock orders. If we load the recurring quote that is named Filters, Hoses, and Belts, it brings up the saved quote for 9 parts. There is a quantity 1 shown to order for each part. In this case, this quote can be printed and used to walk the shelves to update the quantity needed. It may also be determined that a particular part is not needed for this order. So for this instance, it can be removed by clicking the Remove box. After making the appropriate quantity adjustments to the rest of the parts, click on the Update Quote button at the bottom. This recalculates the total dollars for this quote and removes the parts that are not needed for this order. Next, click on the Recheck Availability button, which then queries the supplier system and brings back any changes in cost, availability, and where the part is to be ordered. In this case, note that several of the items will be ordered from the sister store since the quantity available may have been more than is typically stocked at the primary store. After the stock order has been reviewed, simply click the Send Order button to place this order with your supplier. Creating a new stock order as a recurring quote is also very easy. Let's assume that a quote has been created with the list of wiper blades and batteries. In order to save this as a recurring quote, let's put a description on it so it will be easy to find. Let's name it Batteries and Wiper Blades. Once that is done, click the Save as Recurring button at the bottom. Recurring quotes are easy to create and use. Use them to save and manage stock orders. Please take time to review all of the other YouTube videos to learn more about the IEP eStore solution. Thanks and have a great day.